All right, so I'm on the last and the final day of Google Cloud Next 2025. That's a wrap. And before I forget, whatever I've seen, learned in the entire 3-day period at Google Cloud Next, I want to make sure I record this so I don't forget any of them. Starting off with the day one, the keynote was just amazing just to see the updates, the innovation that Google had put together in all of its products. It just blew my mind. And let's just not forget all the other players who are trying to compete, who are trying to innovate, who are trying to embed AI in their solution. A big salute to all of them. I've seen probably 50 to 60. I was able to only stop by a limited number of booths here at Google Next. By the way, this is the entire convention center. This is about 2 or 3 football stadiums big, and walking in here, it itself is so tiring, but it's always good to tire for good stuff that you run into. I stopped by a bunch of startups, a bunch of companies who are embedding AI into their solution, and all of them are creating some of the best tech in the world, I would say. Let's just not forget, Google Next 2025 is fully powered and everything has some component of AI in it. And especially with solutions like Agent Space, solutions like Firebase Studio, I feel like it's going in a direction where it's de-incentivizing writing code, but that shouldn't be the case. For someone who's going to college or for someone who is learning coding at the moment, they shouldn't feel like, okay, is coding still relevant at the moment because of all the AI automations, all the AI code assistants. But I want to take a moment and say that coding is not just about writing a few lines of code. Coding is about thinking logically, logic in every problem solving. The analytic thought process that you go through while writing a piece of code is something that you would have to know, you would have to learn to solve the real world problems. Someone who's trying to learn code, or for someone about to pick up a new programming language or a new coding platform, I highly encourage to continue your journey, but have this coding assistant right next to you. Whatever the coding assistant you would want to use, be it Google Cloud Code Assist, be it GitLab or GitHub, whatever it could be, just start using them, amp up your development process, but do not think that coding is irrelevant at this age. I also wanted to thank all Google partners who made this event so grandeur, making everything very seamless. The entire floor here looked like an office in Google. They have playgrounds here, they have a basketball stadium here, they have a park set up here. The food was amazing. And again, like I said, it's so exhausting with all the good stuff. And I've taken a bunch of notes, mental notes from the event, and I have a list of things that I'm going to go implement right after the event. And I would like to share all the good stuff that I learned from Google Cloud Next in my YouTube channel. So if you're someone who are new to this channel, please consider subscribing my channel. And I would like to make more and more informative videos like this. That's all for this video. I will see you in another video, hopefully in another Google Next event, which will be in 2026. I think we have already announced that it's going to be in April 2026. Signing off for now. Thank you so much.